When you're replacing a bad rotor head, there's one critical point that you got to make sure that you do. So this head has gone bad. It stopped turning and actually wasn't even popping up. So we've got to take this head out and we're going to go back with a new head. Now this is a Hunter rotor and we're going back with the Rainbird 5004. I tend to like these better, but both of these heads are good heads. Now when it comes to nozzles, this is the main critical point. Now these are two different manufacturers. The flow rate for these is with the nozzles is very close to the same. So I'm not too worried about changing manufacturers. But the critical thing you need to do when you're changing out a rotor is you need to see what kind of nozzle is in here because you want to do something comparable. Now you can go back and look at the specs in the book to make sure you do match it up because this probably was designed for this head and the nozzle that's in it. So what you can do is you can actually unscrew this and you can take this out of the body, and then right here is where the nozzle is, and you can just push this down, which is kind of hard. Let's see if we can zoom in here. Oh, you see that number 3 right there? This nozzle on this head was a number 3. So what we're gonna do with this, we're gonna take our nozzle tree that comes with the head. We're gonna find the number 3, which is here on the bottom left. We'll use that nozzle, put it in this head, and now we're gonna match. Even though they're different manufacturers and all that, don't worry about that. But we wanna match the nozzle size with the new head that we're going in. That's one of the most critical things you can do. Now, this system was designed most likely with this head and this nozzle in mind. And so if you go and change it out and you just put whatever, the system may not work the way it was designed it's supposed to work. So if you went with a lower nozzle, it's probably not going to make much difference other than you're not going to get the coverage that you want. But if you went with a big nozzle, like a number 6 or something like that, now you're running twice as much water out of this head and it's going to affect the pressure on the rest of the zone. Because when flow goes up, friction also goes up. So when friction goes up, and that's your friction loss, then your pressure actually goes down. So if you run too much water out of this head, your pressure is going to go down. It's going to affect the other heads around it in this zone. So make sure you go back with the right nozzle when you're changing out a head. And that's a rotor or a spray head, no matter what it is. You want to go back with the exact same thing that's there. Now it can be a different manufacturer like this one, but make sure you match the flow rate of the head that's coming out. My name's Kelly Staggs and you're watching American Irrigator.